Welcome to Full Body Yoga Flow for strength and flexibility. Let's get started in cross-legged sit at the end of the mat. Find comfortable position, sit up nice and tall. Breathe in deeply through the nose and breathe out fully through the nose. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, side bend to the left. Come back to center, both arms up, inhale. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale in center. Exhale, twist to the left, look over your back shoulder. Back to center, inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale in center. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale in center. Exhale, twist to the other side. One more round. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale in center. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale in center. Exhale to the right. Interlace your fingers. With inhale, press your palms up to the ceiling, stretch up. Exhale, release your hands in front of you, roll over your shins, come into tabletop position. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest for cow. Exhale, round the back for cat. Inhale, arch in the back, pull your chest up. Exhale, round, chin to chest. One more time, inhale. Exhale. And come back to neutral position. Lift your right leg and left arm parallel to the ground. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round the back, knee to elbow. Inhale, straighten your arm and leg. Exhale, round, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, hand and knee down. Tuck your toes under, lift yourself up into downward dog. Walk your feet out here, press the heels towards the ground one by one. Maybe shake your head. With your next inhale, lift your right leg up, three-leg dog. Exhale, step it forward between your hands, lower your back knee down, untuck the toes. Inhale, lift your arms, slow lunge. Exhale, hands down to the mat, straighten your front legs, send your hips back into half split. Inhale, rebend your front knee, arms up, low lunge. Exhale, hands down, straighten the front leg, half split. One more, reach your arms up, inhale. Exhale, half split. Keep your hands down, bend your front knee. With inhale, lift your right arm up for a twist, look up. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Step back into downward facing dog. Then lower your knees down into tabletop. Straighten your left leg and right arm. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow around the back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, hand and knee down. Come up into downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step it between your hands, lower your right knee down. Inhale for low lunge, arms reach up, chest lifts. Exhale, hands down, send your hips back as you straighten your front leg. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half split. One more inhale. Exhale. Bend your front leg, right hand stays down. Inhale, left arm up for a twist. Exhale, hand back down to the mat and step back to downward facing dog. With your next inhale, roll forward into high plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, hips back and up into downward facing dog. Inhale forward into plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. One more time, roll forward into plank. Drop your knees down and lower down to the mat. Untuck the toes. 3 little cobras. Inhale, lift your chest, head and hands from the mat. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift your upper body. Exhale, release. One more time, lift. Inhale. Release, exhale. Press yourself up into downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, 3-leg dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Press the floor away. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, right leg up. Bend the knee, open the hips up. Try to stack your right hip above the left. And then bring your right foot forward outside of your right hand. Left knee down for lizard. You can stay up on your hands or lower down to your forearms. Choose variation that gives you the best hip stretch on your inner thighs, groin, and maybe also on the front of your back leg. Tuck your back toes under and step your right foot into downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. One more inhale. Lift the leg high. Exhale, knee to chest. Lift your left leg up. Bend the knee. Open the hips up. Step your left foot to the outside of your left hand. Drop your right knee down. Find lizard on this side. Maybe it's same position as it was on the other side, maybe different. Slowly make your way back to downward facing dog. You have option to stay here holding downward facing dog, or drop your forearms down for dolphin pose, a little more challenge. Keep pressing your hands or hands and forearms down into the mat, lifting your hips high. Knees can stay bent whether you are in downward facing dog or in dolphin. If you are in dolphin, press yourself up into downward facing dog. Lower your knees down and take your legs forward for Navasana, boat pose. Place your hands behind your thighs, behind your knees to start. Lift the feet off the mat. Option 1 to straighten your arms forward. Option 2 to straighten the legs for even more challenge. Keep pulling your chest towards the knees, knees towards the chest, the front of the body really engaged, the core working. One more time, inhale here. Exhale, release your feet down. Place them around hip distance apart, legs bent, hands behind you around shoulder width apart. With inhale, lift your hips up into reverse tabletop. You can keep your head lifted, chin slightly down to your chest, or release the head back if that feels comfortable on the neck. Slowly bring your sit bones down, straighten your right leg and bring your left foot to the outside of your right thigh. Left hand comes behind. Inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale, twist to the left. You can hook the elbow to the outside of the knee or hug your left thigh with your opposite arm. One more inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist a little more to the left. And come back to center. Switch sides. Right foot on the outside of left thigh. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, twist. Look back over your right shoulder. With your next inhale, come back to center and find a cross-legged sit again. Any position that feels comfortable, either ankles or shins crossed, or maybe the feet in front of each other. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Keep your hands down or lower down to the forearms and just relax the upper body down. You can round the back. Maybe stack your fists on top of each other to support your forehead. Notice if you feel the stretch anywhere in this position. It's usually somewhere on the hips or lower back, maybe even upper back. Take last big full breath here. And then slowly come up to seated. Let's take one more breath together. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this short but quite intensive yoga practice. Let me know in the comments if you did. I wish you a nice day and see you next time in next video. Bye!